Security Expert. I'm Ria Bella. We're gonna report to you the news about cybercrime. Risha and Rhea, we're gonna report to you. Risha, Rhea.
Hi, I'm Risha. A man was arrested by anti-cybercrime cops after using a fake credit card to buy a cellphone worth 45,000 in a Mandaluyong city.
Hi, I'm Rhea. Operative of the Philippines National Police Anti-Cybercrime Group arrested Stephen Lucena, 38 years old, a resident of Manila, and his female companion, and identified as Natalia Tipon after the bank questioned the amount of the suspect purchased. The police said on Wednesday. Back to you, Ria. Thank you, Rhea and Risha. Another report from Eloisa and Jasmine. Jasmine and Eloisa.
Hello, I'm Eloisa. The Philippine National Police has warned the public against the modus operandi. The cybercriminals target the data intelligence ransom. Go to you, Jasmine.
Hi, I'm Jasmine. The advice of cybersecurity experts is you have to back up your data every day. Public must be wary when opening sites or windows because once you click that, it can automatically download ransomware.